Ladies and gentlemen, at 2 p.m. on Tuesday, may I present to you the 18 today. Go on, darling, on for the camera. Hen. I've just popped her in there just now so that you can get all our sweeties and a wee drinky. We have a returned bird. Woo-woo! Well done, darling. Neil never doubted you. You get some sweeties on you. There she is, folks. The 18 two-day hen at 1:15. I am now a very happy pappy. Woo-woo! Well, my little tumble towerers, it's gone from dejected to ecstatic. We'll know what's coming when Jipples Nipples has got his rubber gloves on. We're going to bath a bird. Woohoo! Ladies and gentlemen, my first 300-mile bird. The 2-day 18 hen. So, relax my little fruitcake. Very happy pappy. You look after the doos will look after you. I shan't ramble on anymore because I'm just a little bit jolly now. Very happy pappy.